Togozani Hotep Royals, good day. Wherever it is you are, I know it's evening in South Africa or on the African continent, but I just thought I'd come on as promised to share some of my smoothie recipes. How is the fast going? Are you all doing good? Okay, so I use coconut water, right? So I'm gonna wing it. I'm measuring about, I'd say 16 ounces, right? Half of this, 16 ounces of coconut water, right? Let me see if I can move this so that you guys can see better. There we go. 16 ounces. Then I have some pre-washed strawberries. I'm gonna put them in there. And then I have some pre-washed blackberries. I'm gonna put those in there. Then I'm gonna add some ginger. Now, I love ginger. It's good for you. You guys will do your research about the health benefits of some of the things that I'm putting here. Then of course, like I mentioned, in order to keep full for longer, I'm going to use avocado, right? It's a small avocado, so I'm gonna use a whole avocado in here. Also, I make my smoothies in a big batch, guys. So I'm making this huge batch. I probably get about 4 cups this size, and then I put it in the fridge, and then that's me set usually for the whole day and sometimes for the next day, depending on how things go. But remember, if you want to know the benefits of fasting, you can go on my YouTube channel. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, so that I can keep doing content there as well. So this is cloves, guys. So I put like 4 cloves as well in here. Also great health benefits. Then I'm gonna put 1 banana and half banana. Eat the other half. This is coconut, right? And I'm going to add a couple of pieces of coconut in there. Right? Then I've got my favorite herb right here. This is moringa. Now, guys, you really, for the batch that I'm making, I'm just gonna use like 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. Because moringa is a great superfood, all-round superfood. Excellent minerals, chlorophyll, vitamins, you name it. Lots of good micronutrients in moringa. When you get your moringa, if you get it like with a little full container like this, it should last you about a month because it's really powerful. You don't need much. Then the other herb that I am a daily consumer of is ndolwane. I don't know what, it doesn't have an English name as far as I'm concerned, but it's ndolwane. Anti-parasitic, good for the bloodstream, particularly good for women in terms of reproductive health. Yeah, it's just an all-round, if you have fertility problems, my fertility treatment include ndolwane because it's a good cleanse for the womb before you start the herbs that promote fertility. So it's a very good cleanse. Most of us who take ndolwane don't literally have to worry about yoni steaming the way some people have to. So, and quite frankly, that one is scary to me, but I do my ndolwane and I'm perfectly fine. So I think that is, yeah. So this was just lemon juice to cut the sweetness. And then I am going to close this up. I'm going to, and then I'll show you what it looks like afterwards. Towards it. All right, guys, so here we are. We've got our goodies. Right, there's one. And there's two. And I get a little bit. Two and a smolinyana bit. So that means that I will make a bigger batch tomorrow. But let's taste it. Tell you what it tastes like. Really, really good. All right, fam. See you next one. Tozan.